Dreaming of a high-paying career as a pilot or flight attendant made Royal Concord aviation experts on 8 June at M Crown Hotel Shillong from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Book your slot now and call 720-479-8777.
Ringkat ke jing temu wan pensau thu poj ba hakabay ba ka hok ki briug badan dik jing Duna ki Dkhot Nagalyang ka Office Kamu Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities haringkat ke jing lang ba State Resource Center on Disability Affairs Shillong akan riutrik jeliu arjapsan kila penlong ke program IJ kai bedai ba Rights of Person with Disabilities Act arja khan riu kabala penlong Memorial Institute of Integral Training kebadan nadan kiti Shillong Hakani ke jingilang lawan bani Shim Sampat Kumar Principal Secretary ketanat Health and Family Welfare Sorkar Jala haringkat ke jingidan lang Dr. Nalin Mehta Director Negrems ki Co-Founder Commission Accessibility bakentop Yog Rahul Bajaj bat Amar Jain nalal kiwe Wajingkran nagani ke jingilang nagaliang Sampat Kumar laong baka RPWD Act arsyakan riau kalang keberang kamba bakumta nagaliang ke Sorkar Jala kelas Shim yala ke jong ke Sienjam malar kanie dak bapenpa baklawan ra ke State Resource Center on Disability Affairs SRCTA keberang tang hakani ke Jala ban Pynmyntoi nang taki beriau keberang jing Duna hagi Dkhot Nolol kata laong bagi beriau kimdai ben khen iben ki beriau ki Duna Dkhot bakin umla ben le genu ke kam ndai ki don yala ke jong ke jingnang hagi babun rukom.
You all know about the importance of this Act, RPD Act, the Rights of Persons with Disability Act 2016, which was an important act, and based on this act, we have a lot of institutions have been created. We have this Commissioner for Persons with Disability has been created, and we also, in fact, before the act, I suppose, we have brought in the state the State Resource Center on Disability Affairs, SRCDA. This is a very unique organization only in the state of Meghalaya. So we also should really feel proud of the fact that state government has initiated an institutional mechanism where this is funded by the state every year, almost like 9 to 10 crores. And the budget also I'm giving so that we'll understand every year state is investing in this particular SRCDA to see that proper support is provided to the persons with disability across the state. So this is something that I want to say. And as the program is aimed at orientation, one point I just wanted to say, and maybe I also wanted to internalize myself, is that we should all be reminded that disability is should not be seen as inability. It's essentially it has a different ability. In fact, we are surprised to see how the founders here who are sitting here, they move the whole country with their knowledge, with their commitment. So it's essentially it also speaks of the power, in fact, of the differently abled. In fact, the God. That's why I think maybe the government of India is calling Divyangan. So I think it's essentially God's own children. So having said this, we state have 49,000 identified persons with disability, and our aim was actually to provide that equal opportunities for everybody. So this is one very important thing. As far as RPD Act, in fact, I also wanted to tell Mr. Rahul Bajaj, who actually has been asking whether how the state has been doing in terms of implementation of this RPD Act. I was told, in fact, 29 departments have been already laid out equal opportunity policy in their organizations. That means they are taking the care for the persons with disability, within their organizations. And we also have, done about 75% of our 49,000 persons with disability have been given this DI, we call BID, unique, disability ID. So this is also a very good progress that has been made. And besides that, the Meghalaya has taken a lot of initiatives, like making 84 government websites have been completely made accessible. and 34 accessible under Accessible India campaign, 34 buildings, and we also have developed a Meghalaya sign bank for especially for the deaf community or hearing impaired community, Meghalaya sign bank. So it's again a lot of new initiatives. In fact, this has been appreciated, and in fact, our Honorable Chief Minister Shri Conrad Sangma, he personally presented this initiative to our Honorable Prime Minister.
Habatien, pej bahagi kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam Duna ki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka Pynmyntoi ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jingim ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi, the office, Johor Commissionariat of Food Safety, Shillong, Meghalaya.